finally a full autonomous network, where it says, I got this, you developers go ahead and develop, I will make sure your performance is good. And for that reason, in fact, we openly inviting the whole of industry within Singapore to receive our starter kit that we are launching today in order for people to be able to program on a network very, very easily.
Together with Singtel, we are creating a platform using Ericsson's IoT Accelerator. IoT Accelerator brings a set of feature-rich functionalities such as cellular connectivity management, device management, security, and all these are building blocks that IoT solutions can reuse and enrich for their own offerings. So instead of developers having to develop the full stack, using this initiative, they can actually bring forward their IoT solutions much faster and cheaper to the Singapore market.
We are very, very excited to be looking forward to employing NB-IoT technology with our devices, and we are hoping to use it with our customers, monitoring the cleaner, their equipment within buildings and outside of buildings. So we're looking forward to working with Singtel in the next few months, hoping to get this technology on board.